Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to extrude the objects in 3D modeling. And first, go into the AutoCAD software. You can observe on the left, you can observe the different types of palettes. Before I want to explain, go into the visualize and selecting the conceptual and select the viewport of the view styles are available here. You can observe the southeast isometric like that. You can observe the top, bottom, left, right, something like this, and southwest isometric I am selecting, and go into the software interface and go into the home. You can observe the command extrude. You can observe on the command prompt also. You can develop the extrude operation and go into this. You can observe the extrude here. And create a 3D solid model by using this any of the 2D model, convert the 2D model drafting into 3D by using the extrude. This is the one of the best command and the very important command for the basic tutorial for the beginners I am explaining. And the rectangle specify first corner point and the second corner point, one of the rectangle I am taking of the certain dimensions I am giving. D enter. After that you can observe it asking the length and the width. I am giving the 150 into 50 width. One of the rectangle is created. You can observe on the screen. And I want to develop by extrude. Extrude is a shortcut on the command prompt ext. Type the ext simple and click on enter. You can observe the mode here. Select the objects to extrude and select the mode. It has different types of modes, and the solid and surface mode. I want to explain with the solid first. And the direction, path and the taper angle is there, and click on the direction you want and the path and taper angle, and the expressions are 4 features are available, and go into the direction here. I will explain with one by one. See the full tutorial how to extrude the different operations in the solid and the surface. I will explain this tutorial, and you can observe the extrude and give the height. This is the direction. As per the dimensions, as per the direction, you can give the extrude also by using the extrude command, and by double click on that you can also change the height by using this, and change the color also, and the layer styles and the taper angle also you can change by using the double click on any of the object. Not only the using the command, the properties will appear. And next I want to explain that again ext. You can observe the extrude, and first of all go into the one of the rectangle, create the one of the rectangle again. I will all the commands with one of the rectangle I will explain with this tutorial. And length of the rectangle is 500 and 250 I am giving. After that, one of the rectangle is created on that south isometric, and go into the solid mode. Select the solid. You can observe select the object and click on enter. It asking the path and the taper angle. Here I want to explain with the taper angle. Select the taper angle, and you can observe the degree is highlighting on the screen. Extrude the specify angle of the taper for extrusion or expression it is asking. Give the expression also it is possible, and the angle also. I am giving the angle 45 degree, and you can observe the angle is created. Again, height of the extrusion is required. What is the height of the part, and the 150 I am giving. See, one of the model is created with the extrusion command, and you can observe the visualize. You can develop in the 2D wireframe, and you can observe like this. See, the angle of the one of the pyramid like object is created. You can observe with the rectangle by using the command rectangle and the extrude command, and simply go into the again one of the rectangle I want to create. Again, some of the 2 features are there, the expression and the one of the feature, and go into the dimensions same as giving the dimension same as previous, and select the objects. Go into the mode and select the solid and select the object. Here I want to explain with the expression, and you want to give the expression 200. Simply the expression is going to the 200. You want to know the what is that, simply double click that. You can see the 500 and the 300 height. By using this you can give the expression also. You can give the objects extruded by this command. Next one is one of the feature is available, and next one is 250 into 50. One of the rectangle is created, and give the ext command. and select the object. Here I want to give the path. If the path is required, as per the path the object will extrude it. I will show you. Be the line of the any of the specified height you want, extrude, and select the mode and solid, and select the object. And you can observe it is asking the path. I'm selecting the path and click on the path where the line is at the arc curve what you want to give by using the curve path. The object is created like this. This is the 4 features are available in the solid mode. I want to explain with the surface mode in this tutorial. And go into the rectangle again. Give the rectangle of any of the dimensions as you wish. I'm giving the 500 into 250, and you can observe the one of the rectangle is created like this. And go into the ext. Here change the mode to surface. You want to create the surface models, change the mode. The solid is nothing but a full type of solid models, and the surface is nothing but the halo type models you can create by using the surface by using the Extrude. This is the AutoCAD 2016. These are the new features are available. You can observe on the top of the screen what are the features are available, and go into the surface. You can observe the height is there. I'm giving the height. You want to give the isolines. V isolines and U isolines are 6 are there. You can observe on the isolines also on the vertical and horizontal position. The isolines are visible on the screen. You can observe. You want to maintain association. You can also give that yes or no, and give the color also. By double click on that, the properties will appear different from the solid model. This is the surface model. Surface is nothing but the thickness of the material. And give the rectangle again, and one of the sample is created by using the rectangle, same of the dimensions 500 like 250. Another rectangle is created. Here what are the features are available in the surface command I will explain. ext extrude, and go into the extruded object and select the object first and click on enter. You can give the taper angle. See, by using the surface mode you can observe like this. As compared to the solid mode, you can observe the difference between the two objects. Then only I will keep all of the objects. So the first object difference you can observe -45 degrees, and the ISO lines, and the height you want to mention 400. You can also change the height. And this is the difference between the two solid and the surface model of the cone. One of the cone is created. You can observe sphere type cones are also created by using this simple method of the extrude command by using the surface technique. This is the top of the roof of the building. Some of the it is looking like that, some of the square cone. And rectangle, again I'm giving the one of the sample file, and the 500 250, and the one of the dimensions of the rectangle is created. After that you can observe the ext and the prompt, and you can click on the extrude object and select the object again, and you can expression. Here I want to give the expression and enter the expression, for example 500 or 400 example. See, this is I will show the expression. It is not created. You want to change that again. You can change that because the mode is in solid model. You can observe. I will change that mode to surface mode, and again I'm giving the line. Here I want to explain the path, and ext and mode surface, and select the rectangle. After that select the path, click on the path option and select the path you can create by using this path. There one of the rectangle is created like this, and again the expression is remaining on the surface. I will explain that also because in the previous series solid is there, and you can observe that operation. Go into the rectangle and specify the area of the dimensions 500 250, and rectangle is created. Again go on to the length and the width. Again I'm giving the one of the rectangle like this. One of the rectangle is created. You can observe on the screen, and go on to the mode. Here simply select the expression and select the expression how much you want to develop. 500 I'm giving. Same all of the feature difference between all the features you can observe of the solid mode and the surface mode in the extrude command. All of the features are explained in this tutorial. This is the extrude command. This is the best tutorial for the beginners I'm explaining in AutoCAD 2016.